Hi, good morning. Paul here, the Spaulding team, Berkshire Hathaway, Nevada Properties. Today is September 18th, 2019. Let's see what's going on in the Las Vegas real estate market. Looking on the new listings now. Wow, there's been a lot of them this morning already. 24 already today. And the lowest priced one today is this nice little townhome, 1254 square feet, only $140,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, built in '73. It's interesting. Las Casitas. One picture. Over on Pecos, which is out there in Winchester. Good deal. If there's any problem with that, as is. Nothing else besides that. Okay, just as is. Sounds like a pretty good deal to me. Alright. So then the highest priced one is this little guy, $2.6 million. 5,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3-car garage, pool and spa. Sounds pretty nice. It is pretty nice. Contemporary home, beautiful views, beautiful. All white. Very nice. Love that open. Like that. Fire pit. Very nice. Like that. 2.6 million, huh? Too bad they can't fill up their wine rack. A lot of money in that. Beautiful barbecue area. It's probably staged brand new. Yep, very, very nice. It'd be nice just to sit there and look out over the valley. Yep. Beautiful street view. Only 2.6 million. It's a good buy. It's going to sell quick. 2017. Is it a resale? Yep, it's a resale. McDonald Islands. So we have it out there, out there, out there. Okay. It's a good one. And yesterday, that was out of the area. And that one's out of the area, so we'll go to Craig here. It's a condo, 1,180 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, built in 2000. 100 grand. Okay. One picture. Craig and Lamb over by Nellis. Alright. So let's go to the next one. Which is 1.65 million, 2-story, 5,400 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 6 baths, 3-car garage, pool, spa, built in '02. Look at that. Got a great shot with that. Big spa. Great courtyard. Nice house. Some good ones coming on the market. You got a picture of the moon right there. Moon people. Okie dokie. Very nice house. Okay, and bring it on. Is over Southern Highlands. Okay. There we go. Alright, well that's for the new ones for today. Let's go check out under contracts. Looks like 498 under contract, with about 347 just sold recently. Close date. Today this was recorded. House over on Van Epps Court. 2-story, single family, 1,800 square feet, just under 300,000. 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, 2-car garage. Basic house. New flooring. Most of the areas. Okay. They got it sold, and that's the important thing. Van Epps is Fort Apache or Rhodes Ranch. Okay. Then yesterday, the lowest price was a little townhome on Lamb. Okay. Only $75,000. That's pretty good. For 1 bedroom though. Stewart and Lamb. Alright. 17th. 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 Highest priced one yesterday. 1,045,000 single family, 4,253 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3-car garage, pool and spa. Pretty nice looking, very modern. Yeah, very clean. No wonder it's sold. $1 million though. It's quite a bit. Golf course, okay, with a pool. On Tandoori. Okay, way up there. Okay, then 16th. Yeah, Vegas Valley on one of those condos sold. Basic, 67,000. Maryland Parkway and Desert Inn, right behind Las Vegas Country Club there. 1 bedroom, 1 bath for 67. That's not bad. Good rental unit. If you can rent in there. 16, 16, 16. $253 in the last couple of days. $1,069,000 for this one over on Dark Hollow. almost 4,900 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, 4-car garage, pool spa, built in 01. 41 days on the market. Let's take a look at this. Oh, nice clean house. Good curb appeal. Lots of garages, high ceilings, formal dining. Dated there, but that's the way it goes. That looks nice. Love these elevated catwalks across there. And all these windows. Love that. It's great. Should have fixed that. Nice backyard. Covered patio. Pool. Spa. There's something right there. There's a spa over here. Should have turned the pool on for pictures. Nice. Where is it? Cimarron and Sahara. Okay. Over in the lakes area. Good deal. Alright. Well, that is about all I have for today. And so I will talk to you the next time. Today is Wednesday, and so maybe on Friday. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.